IFZA incorporation process. Dubai's strategic location and business-friendly environment has made it a key player in the global marketplace. Here at IFZA, we provide a streamlined incorporation process to make it easy for you to start your Dubai Free Zone business from anywhere in the world. Let's take a quick look at the steps. Step 1. Consultation and proposal. Step 2. Documentation and processing. Step 3. License approval and issuance. Step 4. Continuing client support. The first step is to schedule a consultation with a member of our global network of professional partners to assess your business requirements. After the initial consultation, our partner will present you with a proposal that outlines the type of license that fits your needs, related business activities, your visa package, and office solutions that are available for you. Once the final proposal is signed, we proceed to the second step. To register your application, you'll need to submit the following documents: a completed license application form with UBO information, passport copies, photos of each shareholder. For UAE residents, we would also require copies of their Emirates ID and visa. It is important to note that, depending on your business activity, additional documents such as third-party approvals may be required. After the submission, we proceed to the license approval and issuance stage. Once your application is approved, the authority will issue 2 forms for your digital signature. When the signed forms are recorded in the system, a soft copy of your license will be sent to your registered email address. You may also request for an original printed license from the IFZA office, but that's not all. Our team will continue to support and assist you through some of the most important steps in your company's growth, from obtaining residency visas and medical insurance for you and your employees, securing office solutions built around your business needs, providing expert corporate banking support, and more. As your company grows, you may need to make changes to your business license. IFZA offers support in terms of license upgrades and downgrades, amendments, and renewal of your license. Take the first step towards achieving your business goals in Dubai. Speak with an IFZA professional partner today for more information. Let's dream big together.